Alright, hey guys, so today's video is going to be a decorate my phone with me. I decided to do this video because I love decorating my phone like every single time. Like on my Instagram, y'all know that I always change my phone case, and like I'm obsessed with like changing my phone case, especially during like this quarantine, even though I can't even go out, but I still want to decorate my phone to like the cutest because aesthetics. But yeah, I decided to film this today so I could show you guys how I usually decorate my phone. But yeah, I'm just gonna be talking the entire time because I don't want to be like rambling all over the place. But as you can see here, I'm just trying to figure out what image I wanted to use, and this is actually from my friend Celine. If she's watching this video, I love you. But anyways, I'm trying to see what washi tape I want to use right now, and I don't think I ended up using any washi tape for the final thing because I didn't really like how it looked. But as you can see here, I also decided to put it inside like a little photo card sleeve thing so that it doesn't get ruined, even though it's not like an official photo card, you know. But I just wanted to do it just to be safe. And then now I'm just using these stickers, which I usually get my stickers from like AliExpress or Amazon or Etsy sometimes. So yeah, and they have a lot to choose from. So if y'all are into like stationery or journaling, which I feel like I should really get back into journaling because it's been a long time since I last did a journal with me, or just journaling in general. So if you guys would like to see those type of videos again, please do let me know because I seriously love making those and I feel like they're like soothing in some way. So if y'all would like to see me do one, please let me know. But yeah, as you can see, I didn't really like how it turned out, so now we're doing a redo. So I decided to use a different set of stickers and decided to go for a different aesthetic. I don't know what I was going for with the first one because let's be real, it wasn't that cute, but you know what, it is what it is. But yeah, I decided to use these cute little like pancake stickers, which I got from AliExpress. They're so cute, like I'm obsessed. Like the way they were like drawn is so nice. But yeah, I ended up going for these stickers, and then as you can see, I decided to add washi tape. Wow, okay, anyways, it's a really nice color. It's like a pink color, which I like, so I decided to add it onto the photo card. And now obviously if you're going to be putting it onto the photo card, just make sure that it doesn't get damaged, because sometimes if you put it on a photo card it does get damaged, but for me personally it doesn't. So yeah, and then I also have these Molang stickers, which are really cute, and I feel like I've been saying cute throughout this video. Like seriously, count the amount of times that I say cute. It's insane, especially with like my other stationery videos. I tend to say cute, aesthetic, oh my god, we love. So I really need to think of like other words to say, but honestly, you know, I can't think of any words, so you know, it is what it is. But as you can see here, I am just adding some Molang stickers, and yeah, I think I wanted to go for like the pastry aesthetic because that's always the thing that I go to when in terms of like journaling and like decorating stuff. I really like the bakery stuff and all like the pastries, so I decided to just go for that aesthetic as usual. And then I also have these bear stickers, which are really cute, again with the word cute. Anyways, yeah, so I'm just trying to decorate it how I would like to, and yeah, I'm almost done with this, but it looks really cute. I think I like this one better than the first one, obviously. And then I decided to add another one of these stickers. Like, wow. And we love the sparkles. Like there's sparkles on that sticker. Y'all know how much I love sparkles. And in order to like tape them onto the phone case, I decided to use some washi tape so that they don't move around. But yeah, and then I also got these stickers off of Etsy, I believe, or an IG shop. I'll probably link them all down below so that you guys can get them too, because they're really nice. But I think that is the end of how I decorated my phone. Yeah, so I'm just putting it back into the phone case. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think it turned out really cute. I like it so much. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you all are staying safe during this quarantine, and just know that we'll get through this together. And I will just see you guys in my next video, and I love you guys so much. All right, bye guys.